Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious DIY bacon using an easy method. First, select a high-quality pork belly, ideally weighing between 3 and 5 pounds. Next, prepare your simple curing mixture, combining salt, sugar, and your favorite spices. Thoroughly rub this mixture over all surfaces of the pork belly. Then, place it into a sealed bag and refrigerate for exactly 7 days to allow the cure to work its magic. Once your pork belly has finished its 7-day cure, it's time for the next crucial step. Remove it from the bag and rinse it very well under cold running water to remove any excess curing mixture. Pat the entire surface completely dry with paper towels. Then, place the pork belly on a wire rack set over a baking sheet and refrigerate it uncovered for at least 12 to 24 hours. This drying period helps form a pellicle, which is essential for absorbing smoke flavor. Now for the exciting part, cooking your bacon. You can smoke your pork belly at a low temperature, between 175 and 225 degrees Fahrenheit, until its internal temperature reaches 150 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have a smoker, you can bake it in your oven at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Always use a reliable meat thermometer to ensure it cooks safely and perfectly. This slow cooking process is what gives your homemade bacon its incredible flavor and tender texture. After cooking, let your bacon cool completely, then chill it in the refrigerator for several hours. This firming up process makes slicing much easier. You can use a very sharp knife or a meat slicer to cut your bacon to your preferred thickness. Store your freshly sliced bacon in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. For longer enjoyment, wrap and freeze individual portions for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.